Curl and Wave Sport. 10 hold, 8 hold. Do we really need all these gels? Do we? Do we really need them? I bet it's not even a difference in them. Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Hi you guys, I'm back with another one. In this video, I'll be doing the battle of the gels. You know, EcoStyler, they have a whole line of gels, and they always claim that this gel does something better than the next gel. So I'm going to compare two gels today. The two gels that I'm going to be using is the EcoStyle Professional Style Gel Curl and Wave, which is the pink one. And this is what it looks like. And it says that it has an 8 firm hold. And then I'm going to use the Sport one. And it says it has a max 10 hold. And it's the blue one. So these are the two gels that I'll be comparing in this video. So let's get started. All right, I know right off I already like the pink one because it has like the flip top. Like that. In the blue one, it just has the regular twist off top. And I have used the blue one already, but I have not used the pink one. See if we get any difference in the gels that we use. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down. And I did already wash my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair down the middle. Cute, cute. All right. I'm just going to take a section of my hair. Okay, so this is the first section. So I'm going to do the pink side first. Okay. I have my handy dandy spray bottle. I'm just going to spray some water on my hair. Not too much because it is pretty damp. Well, it's still a little damp. My hair tends to dry fast. So I'm going to make this even smaller. Pull this to this side and clamp it off. Spray a little bit more on my edges. Then I'm going to take the pink gel and start applying it to my hair. I like the way the pink one smells. It smells good. And pretty much I'm just taking a section of my hair and twist it around my finger just to make sure the gel is even all the way down my hair. Then we're going to section it off again. And normally I do not do my hair like this, but I'm going to do it for the video. So pretty much repeating the same thing. Spray my hair with some water. Take my comb it out, and apply the gel. And I always start with my roots first. Don't know why, I just do it that way. And then I start taking it down the end to the ends of my hair. Last section. Okay, so this is the pink side. Move on to the next side, the blue side. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, just section off some of my hair, make it into a smaller section. All right, then we're gonna apply the blue gel. Yeah, I just know already, because I already used this gel, that this gel, it's not a bad gel. It just does not give me the definition that I normally like. But we'll see how it compares to the pink gel. And I'm probably going to say gel 100 times in this video, so yeah. And the pink gel is supposed to be hair, and the blue one, it just says sport. So we'll see. All right, so this is the last section. Okay. Right now, I don't know. It seems, I can't really tell. I can't really see a difference right now. Can you? Can y'all see a difference? Let's see. This is the blue side. This is the pink side. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this process and apply it to my whole head. I will go ahead and continue this process, and I'm going to apply the rest of the gel all over my hair, and I'll be right back to show you the results. All right, you guys. So this is how it looks so far. Remember, this is the pink side. This is the blue side. And this is what it's looking like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair so we can get the full effect of these gels, and I will be... All right, so I'm back, and this is what my hair is pretty much looking like. Again, this is the pink side, this is the blue side, and the blue side is the Sport Eco Styler, and the pink side is the Curl and Wave Eco Styler. All right, so let's see. I definitely can see a difference in my hair. I feel like the blue side just kept my curls elongated. Just look right here, like the front of my hair is still right here. This side of my hair is all the way up here. So this side really did shrink up more than this side. But I do feel like that I get, I think I get more of a hold with the pink gel than I do with the blue gel, because I know I use the blue gel all over my hair. The last style that I had used the blue gel in the last video that I uploaded, and I noticed that every single day, because I've only used this gel probably 3 times, and it's halfway gone. So every day I had to reapply it all over my head, and I did not really like that, even though it makes my curls feel really soft. It's definitely not a crunch in my hair at all. And this side is still not dry all the way. This side is drier than the blue side. The pink side dried a lot faster than the blue side dried. So, but I know that it's not going to make my hair crunchy at all. It's going to make it really soft. If you're looking for a soft hold, and it's crazy because the blue gel is 10 hold and the pink gel is only 8. But I'm getting more of a crunch with the pink gel than I am with the blue gel. So my hair does definitely feel harder on this side than this side. And I did not get that 10 hold that they're saying that it's supposed to have, because my hair, every single day I had to wet it down and apply the gel all over my hair. And normally I do not have to reapply my gel like that, because on this side I can already tell that I'm probably just going to have to put like a little water, maybe a little gel. But I had to put this all over my head. Wherever I put it the day before, I had to put it over that again, because the curls were just not there. They weren't there. The definition wasn't there. my roots were really frizzy, and I do not like that. Even though I don't really care about a little frizz, but I got a lot of frizz with this one, and I did not like that. So I'm kind of leaning towards the pink gel. I like this one so far. You know, this is my first time using it, so I'm not really sure what it's going to look like tomorrow. But I definitely do not like the Eco Styler Sport Gel. There are differences between the gels because I got a different result, you know. And it's crazy that the holes are not the same. Even though this is a 10 and this is an 8, I'm getting more definition. My curls feel crunchier. I did get more shrinkage on this side, so I'm not really sure what that's about. I did get a difference in the gels, so I guess we might need all of these gels, especially if you have a different preference. Because if you like your soft curl, then you'll like this better. If you like a more defined, crunchier curl, then you'll probably like this better. So I probably will use this one again. I don't really know about this one because I just don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the way that my hair looks, but it definitely makes your hair fluffier, makes it more softer, like I said before. But you're definitely going to have to keep reapplying it every day until you wash your hair. And I don't like that at all because I feel like you're putting a lot of product on your hair and you get a lot of buildup. Because when I opened my hair to wash it, I just had white residue all in the middle of my hair from reapplying it for 3 days straight, you know. So you're gonna definitely use more product with the blue one. But that's what I got, and this is how my hair is looking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, I love you guys. See you in the next one.